What's up, YouTube? Going to hopefully make a quick install video today for this Luxe Auto Concepts decal that goes on the back of the rear window. So I like to keep my car relatively low key, and any modification I make, I like it to be kind of have to look for it to see it. I don't like anything flashy or gaudy or anything like that. If you do, that's fine, but that's just me. I like things toned down and kind of a less is more approach. But when I saw these, I really liked them, so I'm going to go ahead and put these on and go ahead and film while I'm doing it. So when this is finished, the white is just the backing, so this will be gone. So this will be just like a black on a tinted window, and but I think it'll look pretty cool. So let me go ahead and get some things together and go ahead and get these on. So one thing I like about Luxe is they always give you everything you need to do the job correctly. So one of the things that seems to come with all their products pretty much is their prep solvent here. So I'm going to go ahead and spray that area to get it nice and clean so we get good adhesion. And they give you a ton, so I'm not going to be stingy with it. I might actually do this more than once. The car was washed about a week ago, but it hasn't rained. But you know, it has been driven every day pretty much, so there is dust on the car. But other than that, it's still pretty clean. Alright, so I got that done. Now, I'm going to go with the hinge method, which they don't include masking tape, but if you watch Hemi Fam, he posted a video of him doing a dry install of these. I'm going to do a wet install because my instructions say to do that. But basically, I'm going to position this where I want it, then tape the edge with masking tape. Then I can hinge it, peel off the backing, hinge it back, and then slowly start to, with a squeegee, like get it into place. So I'm going to go ahead and get the masking tape situation set up, and then we'll start the install. Okay, so what I believe I said was that I was going to be doing a wet install. So what that basically means is that there's going to be liquid underneath the decal when it gets applied, and then I'll squeegee it out. But that gives you the ability to move it around a little bit if it's not in the perfect position. But so Luxe has several designs, but I kind of have a 392 theme all over the car. I have a custom license plate that has 392 on it. I have 392, the badge on this side is 392. My engine bay's got several 392 components or additions. But here's pretty much how I've laid it out. It's not quite the size of the of this little window, so there's a little bit of a room. It looks like that it. So. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as it's not on some of the trim. I mean, no one's going to be able to tell, but I think it's going to look pretty cool. So, of course, Luxe also gives you the liquid you need to use for the wet install. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is just peel this back, spray the window, peel off the backing, and then spray the back of the decal as well, and then it comes with a squeegee, and we'll start squeegeeing it in. So let's get started. I am just getting over a little bit of a cold, so if I keep clearing my throat, sorry. One thing to note, these didn't come like this. It just came in a sheet like a long sheet with both windows, and I cut them out. So you'll have to do that. Okay, so I always struggle pulling these things off. They always seem like they want to stay on the backing paper instead of on the front paper, whatever that's called. This piece right here doesn't want to peel. Oh, there we go. But if you just take your patience and keep working at it, you know, it eventually will do what you want it to do. Maybe. This is the 3 from the 392, so I kind of need you. Okay. Alright. So some of this paper tore and is now on the back of that, but I don't think it's going to be a problem because this is going to be peeled up at the end. So we'll still proceed. Let me figure out where I put that bottle. It's in my pocket. Okay. And let me get that squeegee. And here we go. Alright, so you're supposed to work from the middle out. Try to get all the water that's trapped out at this point. So, just gonna work on it. Seemed like it laid down in the position that I intended it to, so I'm happy about that. And at this point, that yellow tape, that masking tape I used, doesn't really have a job anymore. So, except I don't want to lift up the stuff underneath it. I was trying to squeegee up to it. Maybe I'll just leave it. But you can still see that paper. So just keep working on it until you think all the bubbles are out. Make sure there's no wrinkles or ripples. And then, so I'll go ahead and keep working on this and peel off the front and reveal the final outcome. So I've let this sit for about 20 minutes after squeegeeing it. Now I'm going to go ahead and peel off this the front paper here, and that'll expose the final product. So let's get to it. Let me try. There we go. So I'm just going to slowly peel and check to see if anything's lifting up with it. Hopefully everything is locked into position. Not too much to worry about up here. Alright, so we got it all peeled off, and I'm just gonna kind of blot anything, any liquid that's still there. And oh, really don't want to run across it in case it picks something up and takes it with it. But boom, that's done. Okay, so here's the Luxe Auto Concepts decal for the back of the window, out a little bit in the sun so you can see that matte finish. Kind of goes well with the window that's a little shiny, so it kind of gives off like a nice subdued look. And then we'll just walk around to the other side. See that, and there it is. So this is a little bit of an update towards the end here. I've had these on for like a month, and so far they're sticking on really well. Car's a little dirty right now, so they're not in their best and the cleanest, but either way, doesn't matter. It's a good product, and so far I've gotten a lot of compliments on it, and I'm pretty happy with it. So, alright, see you on the next video.